Hey y'all, let's talk about the Bitcoin price because right now it's really boring. It's just moving sideways. So there's not really a lot of trading opportunities, but um, there is a formation that might have a breakout soon. So we need to be ready for that because once this breakout happens, then the movement will most likely be very, very large. So if we are prepared for that, if we put some limit orders in our exchanges, whether that is a short position or a long position, depending where this breakout takes us, then we will be at a very good advantage and we'll likely make some very good profits with very small risk and very high potential reward. So let's look at these possible trades that we can take with the Bitcoin price when this breakout do happens. All right. So here on the screen, we can see this descending triangle that has been formed in the weekly Bitcoin chart. We can see there is clear level of support and a clear level of descending resistance. I'm going to show you guys the trades that I might take. So, and I'm going to explain the reason behind each of these trades. So, if you are not that familiar with TradingView, there's this feature called Object Tree. So this lets you group your drawings in different kind of categories. So, for example, if I go ahead and click here on current trades, this shows the trades that I've drawn that I will probably take depending on which side the Bitcoin price wants to break towards. Let's see kind of the main reasons why I would take this long position and this short position right here. For those of you that are beginners, this is the way of drawing a potential long position and short position on TradingView. So the green area um, represents my profit and potential profit, and the red area represents my potential loss. The line between the middle would be the price where I would be entering my position. So in this case, I would be entering this position at around $20,600. My take profit would be at around $21,660, and my stop loss would be at around $19,760 for the potential long position. The reason for this is that we have a very strong level of resistance right here at around $20,000. So even if we break this triangle, I will want to wait for the price to go above this level of resistance, and then there's another level of resistance right here close to around $22,000. So I don't want and also we have this moving average on the weekly chart. This is a 20 period moving average on the weekly chart, so this will probably keep moving down right here because the price is currently down, and this will also act as a level of resistance. So I will be entering once the price breaks above this level of resistance right here, and then we'll take profits below this level of resistance. My stop loss will go below this level right here, which will be, yeah, so my video cut there for a second, but I was talking about my level of my stop loss will go below this level right here, which will be turned into a level of support once the price goes above it, which is a criteria to enter this long position in itself. Now, for the short position, it will be bigger than the long position, as we can see here by its visual magnitude. The reason for that is that there's way less levels of support and resistance below this triangle. So we can go ahead and put a larger take profit level, and that also allows us to have a little bit of a bigger stop loss to allow the price to maybe have some volatility before it continues on our direction. It also allows us to have a better risk to reward ratio, we can see here in the long position, the risk to reward ratio is almost 1. That means that our potential loss is close to the same amount than our potential profits. Now, for the short position, the risk to reward ratio is 1 to 3. This is the equivalent of betting $10 to potentially win $30, or betting $1,000 to potentially win $3,000. So the short position allows for a better risk to reward ratio. I will be entering at around this level right here, at around $16,850. And my girlfriend is snoring in the background, so I hope you're not hearing that. But the reason for me entering the short position right here at this point and not exactly at the breakout is, first of all, we have this very strong weekly level of support right here. So I want the price to clear below that. And also, if we go to the monthly chart and we zoom out a little bit, we can see that here on the peak of the bull market of 2018, we can see that there's a lot of resistance right here at these levels right here. We can see this week that ends at around $17,145. So this will be turned into a new level of support, and I want the price to clear below that before entering my short position. But we can see that once that happens, I have a very clear kind of way, very smooth way to be able to go all the way to around $14,200. This will be probably a swing trade that will take a couple of days. But we can see that we have a lot of kind of clear way right here, not many levels that may slow down the price between my entry price and my take profit. My stop loss, if we go back to the weekly chart right here, so my stop loss, I have it right here at around 19,000, close to 19,000. The reason for this is if we extend these levels of support right here, that will be turned into resistance, and we could even kind of extend this triangle right here. We can see that there will be a lot of resistance for the price to go back up. So that kind of gives us some probability of the price to reject again and continue moving in our direction in the case of the short position. So that was all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what kind of video you want to see. If you want to see maybe some possible trades that I'm taking on some altcoins or Bitcoin day trading, kind of more shorter term. I could also do a tutorial on trading view. So let me guys know in the comments what kind of video you want to see. And cheers to some good trades, some good profits, and I'll see you guys in the next video.